Okay guys, so these are few areas that I am predicting for October-November 2025 Edexcel Business Paper 2. So the first area that I want, that I am predicting, also remember that these are all predictions. Questions might be completely different. Just because I am giving these areas doesn't mean that you are not supposed to study the others. You are supposed to study the entire syllabus, but better to focus on these areas at the same time. So these are few areas that I am predicting for this October-November 2025 Business Paper 2 Edexcel syllabus. Okay. So the first area is exchange rate. Usually they might give you a calculation to do the conversion part. So always remember to do the exchange rate conversion. Second, I'm also predicting promotions, a question from promotions, above the line, below the line, a promotional technique, or maybe sponsorship, public relations, then viral advertising, target advertising, or maybe something related to e-newsletters. So they might give a question from one of these areas. Also they might also give a question from price strategies. They might either give cost plus pricing, or maybe competitive based pricing, or some pricing strategy. Then there is a possibility of them asking a question from just in time technology introduction, how technology can be used in production, what are the benefits of it. They might ask a question from quality or Kaizen. They might also ask a question about communication, some question related to communication. They might ask you a calculation about maybe ratios, or maybe how break-even, cash flow forecast, or how you can use any other financial statement to make decisions. So they might ask one of the questions from that area. Plus they might also ask a question from recruitment, anything related to recruitment, job specification, job description, then internal recruitment, external recruitment, anything related to recruitment and selection. They might ask one of those. And then there is a possibility of them asking a question about seasonal workers, casual workers, full-time, part-time workers, dismissal, redundancy. And another question they might ask you from, probably they might test you on training. Why is training important, induction training? Or maybe they might ask you, why should you train workers on health and safety? Why should you provide health and safety training? They might ask one of these questions. There is a possibility. These are all predictions. Then maybe a question can be there they might focus on multinationals, franchise, organizational structure, wide span of control, narrow span of control, then short chain of command, long chain of command. They might ask some question from this area. Then it's important that you learn the departmental functions. They might ask what function does this particular department conduct. So you need to be able to write, like for example, marketing function, what do they do under marketing, HR, finance, operations. Just have an idea about it. Then just learn about batch production, job production, flow production. Then they might also test you on legislation on employment, like maybe national minimum wage. They might also test you on health and safety legislation. They might ask you, why should we give equal opportunities. They might focus on areas like, why should we give opportunities for disabled workers, and they might test you on some area like this. Then it's important to learn about the location factors, like when you are locating your business, what are the factors that you need to consider. If you are locating in another country, what are the factors that you have to consider. You have to be closer to the customer, workers, raw materials. They might also ask a question from trade blocks. Interest rate is something that they might ask you. Then it's important to learn a little bit of sources of finance. They might give you a question, they might give a question from sources of finance, internal, external sources, have an idea about it. Then they might ask you about non-financial rewards and financial rewards, something to do with motivation. They might ask a question from this area. Also, they might also ask you questions about state one financial objective, state one non-financial objective of a business. So you need to have an idea about it. Know about the national minimum wage, health and safety legislation, anything to do with legislation, just have an idea about it. Also go through the market research, primary research, secondary research, test marketing. These are few areas that they might test you on, questionnaires, focus groups. There is a possibility of them asking a question from market research. Then sometimes they might ask a question from reasons for business failure, measuring the success of the business. Have an idea about these areas, and also they might ask you things like how can consumer spending, changes in consumer spending, changes in competition, how it will affect a business. So it's better to have an idea about like the marketing, changes in the market, competition, customers, spending patterns. So have an idea about all that. These are few areas that I am predicting. So might as well just go through these areas and have an idea about it. But just because you go through these areas doesn't mean that they will test exactly the same areas. They might test something completely different, but just go through this. These are few areas that they kept on testing, so might as well stay prepared with these areas. So they never asked a question for some time. They didn't ask a question about product life cycle, Boston matrix, break-even analysis. Also, they didn't focus much. So because of that, have an idea about it, because there is a possibility of them asking you about something to do with product life cycle, or maybe Boston matrix, or they might even ask a question from break-even analysis. So there is a possibility, but these are few areas that they kind of keep testing. So might as well just stay prepared with these areas. So this is what I predict for October-November 2025 business paper 2.